Holla peeps, it's your girl Schree, coming back to you for Schree TV, live out of Las Vegas. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the hose here, and we're going to water down these stains, and then we're going to scrub them dry. A lot of manual labor. I'm going to start with it, so let's go.
It helps you turn the water on, love. What's the problem?
I got it. It's so hard to turn.
Turn it the opposite way.
Okay.
Wow. Woohoo! Rocket science.
Alright, everybody. Let's do this. We missed some right there, but hopefully the soap will help us out. Okay?
Go over there.
I got it. God, the pound is killing me. All right now, come on, honey. Let's go over here and get this brush. Wait a minute. We'll get this brush. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, where's the rest of it? This is the brush? Hey.
Use the broom.
No. I need the brush. You know what I mean? That's right. Stop that. That's right. Oh, goodness. Stop that. Over no more. Puppy boutique. All right. Oh wait. cold. Right, peeps? Okay.
Back yonder behind the wheelbarrow.
That's right, babe. Thank you, honey. Who the fuck has a wheelbarrow now, anyway?
We do.
Peeing all up under the wheelbarrow. Oh no, they trained. They trained to pee on the puppy pad. You know what? Hey, it was like Spider-Man. Right? Poor Nooses. There she is. Hi, Noose. You want to be on Schree TV? Huh? Come here, baby. Come here. Come to mama. The dogs would run her off. So she really would sleep in the front yard. Come here, baby. See what I'm doing, Nooses? I'm cleaning up after some dogs. They peed everywhere. And that is just not cool. Whatever. Share it here. I'm getting hot now. Let me take some of my coat off. There's some right there now. Look at all the shit around it.
Just leave that alone.
Oh my god, my OCD. Oh my god. Everything is contaminated. Oh. Okay. That's clearly fisting, right?
No, the bed was over that. No, the bed was over that.
What is that?
That. Oh, well, maybe.
See? That. But I didn't want to pick up all that job. I've been this way since I was like 10 years old, Pete, so. I think, oh my god, she got gay and got OCD. I hate gross stuff. Nasty, gross shit. Okay. So weird. Alright, now we're gonna rinse everything off. I'm gonna faint.
Say goodbye, because I'm going to start another one.
Alright. Bye, everybody. We'll be right back.